Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can install the Vivaldi web browser on your computer, for example, to use it on your operating systems like Windows 10 or Windows 11. The download and installation process work actually all the same way, no matter on which operating system you install and run it. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. Launch your favorite web browser like, for example, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and here in the search bar on Google, type in Vivaldi browser. Just like that, and after that select the first entry you see here. On the next page, click on download Vivaldi here. For example, download it on your Windows 11, which in this case is my operating system. Wait for the download to be finished, and after that head over to your output folder, launch the installation launcher, and the following is actually a matter of a few clicks. Simply follow these instructions here, accept, press OK, and wait for your computer to install Vivaldi on your device. And that should take or may take a couple of seconds. Usually it shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it's already finished. So now you can start the Vivaldi web browser on your computer, go through a short tutorial if it's the first time you run it. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.